Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to reduce transparency in Apple's liquid glass design in iOS 26 on iPhone and iPad. Apple's iOS 26 update introduces the eye-catching liquid glass design language, which brings translucent effects and layered visual across the system. While the new look is pretty stylish and immersive, it may not suit everyone, particularly if transparency impacts readability. Thankfully, there is a pretty neat way to reduce transparency on iPhone and iPad. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the accessibility option to proceed. After that, select Display and Text Size option. And then you have to turn on the toggle located next to Reduce Transparency and you're all set. Enabling this adds darker backgrounds to translucent elements such as Control Center, app folders, and icons, making text and interface elements stand out more clearly. Note that it doesn't remove transparency entirely, it just tones it down while keeping the liquid glass style intact. If you prefer switching between the full liquid glass look and the toned down version, you can add transparency to your accessibility shortcuts for easier toggling. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and then you have to select the accessibility option. After that, you have to scroll down and select Accessibility Shortcut option, and then choose Reduce Transparency. You can then add the Accessibility Shortcut button to the Control Center. Just bring up the Control Center and hit the plus button located at the top left. And then you have to tap on Add a Control button. After that, you have to scroll down to the Accessibility section and choose the Accessibility Shortcut option. Once added, a quick tap lets you enable or disable the setting on demand by just tapping on this very shortcut button. Alternatively, you can also just triple-click the side button or the top button to easily enable or disable the transparency effect on your device. It's worth pointing out that if transparency adjustments alone aren't enough, I will recommend you to enable Increase Contrast feature on your device. To do so, open the Settings app and then go to Accessibility, Display and Text Size option and then enable the toggle located next to Increase Contrast. When used together with Reduce Transparency, this setting minimizes translucency further, ensuring maximum readability even if it slightly reduces the layered glass effect. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily reduce transparency in Apple's liquid glass design on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked these pretty neat hidden features, make the most of them to take control of the liquid glass design on your device, and I'll catch you up in the next one.